Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Queen Loli beka ku interview ke sana interview yakhona anje beyilaphana nakubo TikTok balabaningi bayibukelile ugele whenever bane interview wena ngokuthi dokhipha tigaxa tetimfihlo. So girl revealed ukuthi uGogo Skhotheni, the famous Gogo Skhotheni, who's a traditional healer and also a DJ, aphethe futhi abe business woman naloku mfati waMonde Shange uke wajola naMpumelelo Msele. Kumpumelelo Msele kumntwana wendoda yesithembu leligama lakhe kungumusa wakamseleko, and uthi uQueen Loli, uMpumelelo and uGogo Skhotheni have been smashing for a very long time. Uthi njena naMonde uyakwati, even Gogo Maweni uyakwati lokho ke sana. Lately uGogo Skhotheni utithola trender for ama-reasons lamaningi phakathi kokuthi went i-BBL untshintshile waba ngi-DJ, and balabaningi they are actually saying ukuthi ugele it's like ukhohliwe ukuthi sowusangoma, so iphelele nje impilo yakhe lehlukile. Some people were even are shocked ku-TikTok ukuthi hayibo umntwana lomncane sona kani ubendani labo gogo labadzala. Wena ukuthi uMpumelelo Msele once dated uQueen Loli, and uQueen Loli guys yamanga ukuthi udume ngani but asikho lapho. So people were saying ukuthi yo bantu abacheck iTerelo shem ukuthi is she okay, because yamadi guys ukuthi iTerelo uyohliza ngiTerelo idrama and unehlito elincane ngalana ufuna kudenda ibhoza. So guys bani bathukile ukuthi hayibo ngabe vele kuliqiniso ukuthi Gogo Skhotheni and uMpumelelo was smashing. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts, sit down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.